Warning, the following film may contain extremely bad acting and a strange plotline. Viewer discretion advised. In a world full of chaos. Morals have been divided by zero. Two teens need a hero to save them from the AP Calc test.
What, boy? I can't hear you.
I need a 5 on my calc test or the mob's gonna take my thumbs.
No, chapter 4. I'm teaching you chapter 4.
I said...
Right this way to the classroom.
My mother told me that I'd be getting top-notch tutoring. I assumed it wouldn't be an old lady's house.
Okay, children, what does an integral signify?
Slope?
No. Area? Right, we're already halfway there.
The integral of f of x of d of x equals f of x plus c. C is a constant only needed when doing indefinite integrals.
You shut up! Now let's do U substitution.
Oh, well, it seems our hero has returned.
So, as you see here in U substitution, what you do is find something similar to substitute for U. Once you have U, you take the derivative of the U and replace it back into the equation. So here you see I used x cubed minus 1 as U, got 3x squared when you took the derivative, and then you put it back in, and the x squared cancels out with this x squared, and the 1 over 3 is left behind. Now, if you use x as a U, then you're an idiot, and you should stop. Stop. Okay, good.
Here are some basic integration rules, kids.
My self-confidence, understanding, and satisfaction are skyrocketing!
How would somebody use integrals to find the area of a gnome?
You'd use the fundamental theorem of calculus just like this.
The first fundamental theorem of calculus states that the integral of b to a, gnome x equals gnome b minus gnome a, where the derivative of gnome equals gnome. The second fundamental theorem of calculus states that the derivative of the quantity of the integral x to a f of t dt equals f of x.
That's a whole lot of gnome. But what if you just need an estimate?
The trapezoidal and Riemann sums seem to be the in way to get the area nowadays.
Those do sound like hip ways to find area.
Rorschach, be a dear and teach these kids about trapezoidal sums.
Thanks, Trish. The formula goes as follows. You'll see the trapezoidal sum, where b and a are the endpoints of the function. N is the number of trapezoids, and here you see the first trapezoid. You just add that, and the next few, you times it by 2, until the very last one, when it's just by itself. Back to you, Trish.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Exactly.
But what about Riemann sums?
Integral a to b of f of x equals b minus a over n times the quantity of h of 1 plus h of 2 plus h of 3 all the way to h of h.
Yes, now you're all ready for the calc test.
But we only know chapter 4. I got a 5.
No, chapter 4.